2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This is going to try to explain what a drill block is and how we're going to use it to do gang drilling. So on the CNC machine you can add a bore-in drill head, and as you can see these would be tools which can drop down all separately, so these will actually pop downwards, downwards, downwards. On my machine, instead of being 5 by 4, I've got 7 by 8, so I've made up a screen for that. So that's what a drill block is. So each one of these drills, if you look at the black one, that rotates clockwise. The orange ones rotate anti-clockwise, so it goes clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise. But you can put in the same length drills. So if you want to drill more than one hole, as long as all these drills are set the same, you can drop all these at the same time. So let's just have a look at, let's go to vcarve, and I've set up a job. Okay, so if we were going to drill, it's a 1 meter square, oh sorry, 1 meter by something, 600 or something like that. But if we had all these holes put in place, so I was going to drill these as 5mm holes, I'm going to drill these as 8mm holes, some 20mm holes around the outside. This is just for the test job. So if we look at the job, let's just recalculate it. Let's reset the preview, put it up in the center so you can see it, and preview the tool pass. So instead of drilling hundreds of holes, this is how many moves the machine has to do using gang drilling. So these holes will be infilled down here. There'll be extra 5 drills going down, 5 drills going down, 5 drills going down. The same along here, there'll be 4 extra drills going down, 4 extra drills, 4 extra drills. These will only just be 2 extra drills in between each one, and then a separate drill for the outside holes. So let's see how fast that job, take into account that it's that many holes that we're going to be drilling. So let's see how long it takes. Okay, so I've made up a there's my drills. I've just numbered them 71 to 85 over my 15 positions, and my 15 positions are laid out like this: 1 to 8, and then 7 down. So I've got 8 across, 7 down. And you can see I've got lights on here. This is showing what drills are active at what time. I've put a toolpath display so you can see how fast the machine moves around. We're using vcarve. I've set it so I set it for 5 tools, which we've got here. It'll be 5 followed by the tool number. All right, so 5 if we want to pop 5 down. It'd be 4 if we want to pop 4 down. It'd be 3 if we want to pop 3 down. Okay, so let's just rerun that file and start it. And you should be able to see how fast this would run to do the whole job. Okay, so it's selected the first tool up here, plus 4 more to do the gang drilling. And where you can see every move it does, you can see the, if I scroll out a bit, you'll see the X and Y axis changing. So you can see it's actually moving on the screen. And this would be real time. This is set up at the same speeds as the machine is set up at now. As you can see, it's just dropping down in the Y now, just with 1 drill, so that would be doing the 20mm outside holes. It's now going to pop some extra holes in the other side with a different tool. So we're just using tool 8 for those 3. And now it's going to do gang drilling in the Y direction. So you see the lights on the right hand side have come in for the Y direction. And taking into account that is drilling at the moment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drills per time. So every time this goes down, every time the Z goes down, it's drilling 6 holes. So way faster. And that's the whole job finished. So that's how fast it would have drilled the whole panel. That's what gang drilling is about. Thanks for watching.